everyone, in GK the next topic is martial arts. Here the question is complete the crossword by naming these martial arts with the help of the given pictures and clues. The questions in across are made famous worldwide by Bruce Lee. The various movements of this martial art form copy the fighting styles of animals, and the answer is Kung Fu. Next is this is a combat sport from Japan. The participants are called judokas, and the answer is jujitsu. This martial art from Tamil Nadu mainly uses a bamboo staff as a weapon, and the answer is silembum. Next is a Russian combat sport. Its name means self-defense without weapons, and the answer is sambo. This Japanese form involves punching, kicking, and knee and elbow strikes, and answer is karate. The questions in down are these popular combat sports involve attack and defense with fists. Participants usually wear padded gloves, and the answer is boxing. This martial art originated in Kerala. In this art, the opponent uses methods such as strikes, kicks, grappling, weaponry, and healing. The answer is Kalari Payattu. Next is the name of this martial art means the gentle way. This Japanese art uses holds, throws, and paralyzing blows to subdue an opponent, and the answer is judo. Next is the name of this Korean art form means the art of kicking and punching. It combines combat techniques, self-defense, sport, exercise, and meditation, and the answer is taekwondo. Here the question B, against the following statements, write T for true and F for false in the boxes. And the first one is taekwondo is not an Olympic medal sport. This statement is false. And the true statement is taekwondo became an Olympic medal sport at the Sydney Games in 2000. Next is the combat style of jujitsu took shape among the samurai warriors of Japan, and this statement is true. Next is the martial art form of karate got systematized on the island of Okinawa, and this statement is true. Next is strangling is a principal tactic in the game of sambo, and this statement is false. And the true statement is strangling is not allowed in sambo. The techniques of judo are intended to use the opponent's force to one's own advantage without opposing it directly, and that statement is true. Next is in a game of boxing, the referee stands outside the ring and keeps a watch over the fighters, and this statement is false. And the true statement is the referee stays inside the ring with the players. Next is archery is a form of armed martial art, and this statement is true. The next is punctuation was an ancient Greek sporting event that combined boxing and wrestling, and this statement is true. Next is the art of Kung Fu has its origin in Thailand, and the statement is false. Kung Fu is a Chinese martial art. And the last one is East Asian martial arts have acquired special features through the influence of Taoism and Jain Buddhism on them, and this statement is true. That's all of today, children. Thank you.